Yeah, man. There I go, there back, you know. So I go on. Yeah. As I say, lowest point of the rock, you know. Look there, man. Jesus Christ, babe. Almighty God. Are you alone, Father? Look on your creation. That's it. Man. So, what me I go do? See if me can get closer out there, so. See if me can get closer out there, so. To show you what I go on out there, so. You get what me I say? Yeah, man. And want to remember, say, an official beaches where people come swim. You get what me I say? Pay them money, the entrance fee, and come swim, you understand? So, show you what I go on. Show you what I go on. So not even swimming can go on today. Although I'm gonna reach around another part there. You get what I say? But look there. You want to go on? Yeah, man. I'm gonna reach around another part there yet for official, you know, show you. But see what I go on, you know? Yeah, man, a youth over there, so I train him dog them. See where the barking I come from. Ah! Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we are goat. We are goat. See how close we can get to over there, so we made a show on earlier. You see me? See how close, you know? Yeah, man, this is where the wave comes spread out, you know? I mean, I tell you, oh, nice. Out there still can't swim, man, peeps. See there? Yeah, man, in the beer there, so can't swim, you know? But look, as me I say, see the wave black off all in here, so you see it? Yeah, man. So, see what I go on. Wave a spread come right out, and that is it. You see it? So wave a come in. Yeah, man. Nice and sweet, you know? Yeah, man, people. So this, yeah, man, this man I generally run off out here, so you know, crowd of people, you see it? Him clean up all of them places, yeah. Set it up, as me I tell you, say, a nice place, you know? Where people pay them money come in, come swim. And me say me I show you a nice area where people come swim, you see it? Yeah, man, for him look up puppy them, you know? Yeah, man, I them with the area back, you know? Yeah, man, but I generally say run off up here, so. Yeah, man. Yeah. Number when you reach out to the front, that number that was on the front. You see me? Oh, yes, man. See, I generally look up spot this. Turkey Bay Cove. Yeah, man. Tell you the general name. So I'll go on. Nice vibes out there, you see? Turkey Bay Cove. Show you how the general set up out there. So now. So, despite all of the bad breeze and the bagger, yeah, them are going over there, so look what I go on in here, so. You get what I say? I'm showing you what I go on in here, so. Yes, man, see that? Look there. Can come here, so come swim anytime. You see me? See it there? Yeah, man, as me say. put up with general information. Nice place. You see what I say? Where you can come swim, come all the vibes with your family, take your picture of them as you see it. You get what I say? And the waterfalls. You see what I go on? Yeah, man. Nice place, people. Me feel say me a walk go down there and show no what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. So this instruction I show you say yo when you're so wet and slippery, so you have to just watch your step carefully. You see it? So see it there. Take off my slippers, you know, my socks alone. Walk go down there, you know. Yeah, man. See there? Yeah, man. Nice, don't talk the truth. Talk the truth, no man, peeps. Talk the truth. Yeah, man. See there? Beautiful. Can come take a swim, peeps. Yeah. Yeah, man. Anytime you want, you can come take a swim. You'll say, one of them days, yeah, as I say, I will just come out, come do an official video over here, so do a nice cooking over here, so you get what I say? Yeah, man. So, when you don't know, go out in the water, show no look. You see it? Yeah, man. So, as I say, see it there? Down there, I go. Yeah, man. Woof! Alright. Nice done. Yeah. Anytime you want to come swim, people, see it there? Yeah, so it's a nice place. You come, enjoy yourself, big spacious place. You see me? Yeah, man. Right now I feel like more than take a chuck off, but you don't know a thing go. Me have to prolong the video, you see it? So you don't know a video, I have to continue, but nice people, see it there? When me I come from up there, so you know, you see it? And guess what happened? I show you what I go on. Water no deep. If you want to go one place where you feel like say, you can swim, you just head over here, so you see it? Nice, done. Yeah, man. See what I go on? Yeah, man. Nice place me I tell you about, people. As I say, the contact information out the front, so we go out the front, show you what I go on. Then we continue our normal video. You get what I say? So, no matter how you take it, it's always beauty in the struggles, you see it? Yeah, man, no matter how you take it, people. Yeah, man. Pain in a success, same way, so. See there? Nice place, people. See there? Nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so you see it, people. As me I say, general lot. I roll out. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Show you what I go on out by the front, you know. You get what I say? See there, no, people. We still have water. A box over, rock over, the same way, you see it? So we just the inside I cove, you know, you see it? Yeah, man. A bathroom on the inside as well. And I think one day out on the outside, if I not lie. I mean, it's a nice place where people come pay them money, swim, enjoy, eat, you know, chill out with them family. You see it? Yeah, man. Nice, you know. Look there now. Swab on. See there? Lovely, man, lovely. You take barefoot here now, you know. So, show you what I go on out on the front, you know, you see it? See there? Your changing room. You get what I say, if you come here, swim, you want to wash off or whatever, it's a your changing room, kitchen door out there. So all you do, you just link up with General as I say, I show you the number. We don't know if you know come in, you just link up with General, tell him what you want, and you don't know where next go. This is a bar here, so. You see it? Yeah man, see it there? Yeah man. Right to you know my General. Yeah man, so see your number out here, so. Yeah man. Number. But I say I go just link up with the General one day. You know? Do the right thing, you know? Do an official video, you see me? So this are the number 303-0214. You get what I say? Yeah man. So look again as me say 303-0214. Yeah man. See it there? Yeah man. So this are the cost. You don't know. You are tourists. You get what I say? Well, we are tourists still love people, but you don't know. If you're with us here from overseas, you reside, never reside, you know, it's a resident overseas, you don't know. You get what I say? 2,000. You get what I say? Jamaican, like myself, you're yardy. 1,000, you see it? So, see that people, nice again, see that? Number to call, you see me? Yeah man, yard and abroad. Mind yourself in a pele. Mind me and your war for that talk, yeah. You see it? So, see it, people? Yeah man, official can chill out. You see me? As me say, me I come do an official video on the outside out there. So you see it? Up on the inside, you see it? So, yeah man. So, you ready if we go back to full normal programming? Watch you now. Cause we are go out the back, you know. Yo, we are go out the back, my people. Yeah man, I bring on straight down where we're fishing and low. So me take in the cove, I kind of miss out some of the place them, but that are the least. So you get done, get the idea, walk on. You see it? Because I say beauty there and I struggle same way. You understand? So, we are go out there, back out there. No joke, no doubt. Yes man. Yeah man, outside again, you know? Outside again! Whoop whoop! Don't know. Down here, so it don't look as bad as up there, so. You see me? Down there, so no look at, up here, down here, so no look as bad as up there, so. You see it? So, now go. You see, yes, so where me I go now? I want to my normal fishing spot. You see it? Yes, so me fishing the most. You see me? Right, yes, so. You get me? So, see there? Alright, me I say it no bad. Cause see the water pocket there up here, so you know. And this is about 20 feet from water, you know. So you must know. You get me? So as me say, yeah, so I want to spot them and I normally fishing. But upon the point there are some people. You see it? Alright, me I show you so I don't lie, me I tell. Look there. You see what I go on there, so? Boil water, boil up, you know, you see it? Watch it. Oof. Ja, ja. I don't know how to wet up too. Yeah, man. Nice crystal clear water in a rock, your people. Watch it. No joke. Watch it. Watch it, man. You see that? Yes, man. Watch it. You see them there? As me say. Look there. Why? See me spot. I'm afraid to go out there. Yeah, man. See me what? I'm afraid to come out here. You believe that? Look there. My God. Watch ya. Some see it down the back. You see it? Look there. Oh, the bad man. Boat is big out. You see one boat. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. You see that? You know one of them coming somewhere here so now. You know that. Look there. There. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, when you see how the breeze I, the string for my hat, it just a whistle, so I don't know if you hear it. Yeah, man, I saw the breeze I. You get me? But reach on the other side of the rock here now. So, we roll out there now. We gonna roll out there. We gonna stroll out there. Yeah, man. Roll out there. Show no what go on. Yeah. You see them wave here. Hi. Don't look here now. Yeah. Show no what go on. Them bird they way a fly then them say them name trouble bird. You get what me and say? So see what go on here people. Look there. Car down here some gunfire, you know. And when you wave it, you rock, you hear the roof. You hear that? Yeah, man. Sound like a gunshot bust. But look here now, people. Them place here are we normally fishing place what I tell you about. You see me? But as I say, in a condition like this, rock, water take you off a rock. You get me? Yeah, man. See what's going on? Yeah, man. Oh! Yes, I. All of them places, peeps, as me tell you no. All of them places, as me tell you no. Water. You understand? Water. Water. You see it? Look there. Water. Water. So no look now, man. As you see right now, we come like say the sea water almost level up with the land you know, with the rock. You get what I say? See the people water you know, like. So look how far out water go. Almost out of where the house them dead at, you know. You see it? So look there. Ja. Sit down there so now on a piece of high rock up there so and that's up my next favorite spot when we go fishing. You get what I say? With a night or a day, you see that? I don't know it up again. You see it? See it there? With a night or a day down there so. You see me? Yeah man. So let's see what I go on. Yes man. People, look at them here now. Hear them? See that? Yes, man. So, yeah, man, it come like, you see when I dead them place here, babe. It come like, you're just the inner the sea. If you understand what I mean. You see me? Let me show you what I talk about. You see it there? You come like a inner the sea, you're there. You see me? Yeah man, see it there? So, I'm not lie you. Them waves there, I clap 15, 20 foot. You see me? Because if you go down on the rock, and more than that. So you see from it to reach over the rock, you don't know where you go. Yeah man. See it there? Watch out. 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 Yeah. See that? Watch it, man. Watch it. We have come up on rock, you know? See there, baby. Watch it. Whoa! See that? Yeah, man. Yeah man, so see it there. I tell you no lie. Oh, you see that? Hey, hey, can I be so frightened? Yo, right now, Martha beat 100. Yo, no sir. Watch it, people. Leave I man, I leave here, you know. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah. That wasn't so pretty. That wasn't so nice. Boy, I know my heart a beat. We don't see what go on quiet. Georgia. Yo. It's not so nice, people. It's not nice to go and look quiet. I know my heart a beat. Georgia. Yeah, man. I know my heart a beat. Yeah, man, but me there I see him we're done. Yeah. Those if you don't look, people, look. We ever come over rock. See there? Watch it. Watch it. Yeah. You're so dry, no we have no reach up here, so. Yeah. So, I nah go back down there, you know? I nah go back down there. Yeah, man. Every time I see the water calm down and things, you see me? I will go down there, but I go back down there. I think I don't see enough now. You see me? I know I don't want to see more. So, we now go run them joke there with life. You see it? Yeah, man. So, people. Yeah, man. Thanks for tuning into the video. Yeah, man. It was a lovely video. You see me? You want to see enough things, you know? Yeah. See how when cold front over the island, how the sea behave, you understand? You see me? Yeah, man. So, want to keep it locked to the channel, you see it? Remember, you know, hit the like button. You see me? Share it to a friend and a family. Remember, the more like the video get, yeah man, the more suggestion it get from YouTube, you see it? Go up in the algorithm. You see me? So peeps. When you watch the video, like the video. You see me? Yeah, man. Remember, this official backup channel is it, so whenever me have no difficulty, this is the channel me have a post, but you get to me and say, cause you can never be too careful. You understand? So yeah, man, keep it locked, my lovely viewers and subscribers. That's it. Yeah, man. Now who remember the bike, yeah? Who remember the bike, yeah? Jaja. You know, it don't look like a bike. Yes, a bike, you know, I go to say it don't look like a bike. It's like a bicycle with the look of engine on it. You know, but it's a bike, you know? Yeah, man. Second time I show you this is it. Yeah, man, this I see it. Yeah, man, I see the gas tank there, so. Yeah, man, see everything. Oh, I'm going to say it full. But as you see, no need to dip on it. Yeah, man. I don't know which one I brake or clutch. Yeah, man, but see it there? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, nice. Doing another video. You see it? Yeah, man, big up to everybody. You see it? You watch to the end. You see me? Just leave a comment, let me know, say, yeah, when you're there to the end. You see it? You can show out to know on some of your adventure, them, on some of your videos, them. You see it? So, yard and abroad. Outside with there, you know, man. From outside to your living room. You see me? Yeah, man, so just keep it locked, man. Heart of love till next time. Out there. Yeah, man. One Blocks.